Hello, and welcome to our third and final part of the training series on referring an individual to a provider via the CalJOBS system. This referral process will allow for Orange County WIOA Title I service providers and Orange County one-stop partners to be able to send, receive, and track referrals within CalJOBS. In part 1 of the training series, we reviewed the steps to verify if the individual being referred has a CalJOBS account. We also went through the registration process should you need to assist an individual with creating a CalJOBS individual job seeker account. And lastly, we reviewed the steps for sending a referral to a provider. In part 2, we reviewed the steps for when a referral is received, starting at the email notification and then accessing CalJOBS to update the referral result. We also reviewed the steps for the referring staff to check on the status of the referral. And now in part 3, we will review the steps for running a referral report in CalJOBS to show the referrals that have been sent and received. We will first begin by signing into CalJOBS by visiting www.caljobs.ca.gov. Then we will proceed to sign in with our staff account. And after you've entered your login information and confirmed the CAPTCHA information, select Sign In. Then after you have read the staff sign-in notice, you will select I agree. And to view the staff referrals report, you will select Menu in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, and then scroll down to the Reports section. Now within the Reports section, you will select Detailed Reports. And within the Case Management Reports section, you will select Staff Referrals. There are 4 options for staff referrals reports that you can run, and they are List, by referral type, by provider, and by staff. To begin, we will start with a list report. The list report displays summary information entered into staff referrals to providers. We recommend that you keep the selection criteria set to the default information to allow for more search results to return. But if you would like to enter your provider name, you may do so in the provider field. For the purposes of this training, I will enter referral test since that is the provider that we sent our referral to for OC Tester. After you've entered your provider name, you may scroll down, and under Date Range, you will select the date range that you would like your report run for. So for this particular report, I am going to select the second quarter for this calendar year. After you've entered the date range information, you will select Run Report. Once the report has generated, you will see information in the first few columns about the individuals that have been referred. Then in the next column, you will see the referral dates, and then it will also show the staff that sent the referrals, the name of the provider that the referrals were sent to, along with the provider's contact It will also list the referral, and this is pulled from the reason for referral when entering the referral. Again, we do recommend that you keep the reason for referral very brief so it is easy to read on the report as shown here. And then under the referral outcome, it will show the referral results once it has been updated. So for our test individual, we updated the referral result, and as you can see here, it shows referred enrolled. Below you will see NA, and that means the referral is still open and the referral result has not yet been entered. At the top of the report, you will see a variety of different options, and by hovering over the icons, you will be able to see what each option allows you to do. For this particular report, since we only had a couple of results, this is only a one-page report, so we are not able to scroll through previous or next pages. And then also for this particular report, there is no parent report, but I will show another example as to what it means by a parent report. You also have the option to adjust the view size, and then under the floppy disk, you can save the report as an XML, CSV, PDF, Excel, or text file. And then lastly, you have the option to print the report. There are also several options at the bottom of the report as well. You may reset the search criteria or update the search criteria if you would like to make any changes. Or if you decide that you want to run another staff referrals report, such as by provider, you may click on the Select Another Report button. This is what I'm going to do now so I can show the remaining reports. Next, we have by referral type, which displays referral information organized by the type of referral. I am actually going to bypass this report since it is currently not pulling any data. Then we have the by provider report, which displays referral information organized by the provider of the referral. Again, it is best to leave the selection criteria set to the default so your search can generate more results. But as you become familiar with the reports, you can update the criteria to what works best for your organization. As we scroll down, I will update the date range for this particular report, and I am going to set it as a custom date. So for this particular report, I would like it to be run between April 1st, 2021 and May 31st, 2021. Now that we have set our date range, I will select Run Report. So this report shows the providers that have received referrals within the date range selected. And you will see here on the list of providers is Referral Test, which is the provider that we sent a referral to for OC Tester in our example. And you will see under number of referrals, there's 1, and then under number of results is 1. So to get more information about the referral, I'm going to click on the hyperlink for Referral Test. Now you will see information in the first couple of columns about the individual that the referral was sent for. Also the referral date, the referral type, the staff that sent the referral, the name of the provider that received the referral, and the provider's contact name. And lastly, it has the referral outcome. So this will indicate that the provider has updated the referral result in CalJOBS. The options at the top of the report remain the same. So if there was multiple pages, you would be able to scroll through the different pages by selecting previous or next page. You may also go back to the parent report. So for this particular report, you could go back to see the different providers that received referrals for the time frame selected. Again, there's also the option to zoom, save, and print. And then at the bottom of the report, you can either reset or update your search criteria or go back to select another report for staff referrals. So I am going to select the button for select another report. And now we will see the fourth and final referral report, and that is by staff. This report displays referral information organized by the staff member who created the referral. Again, you may enter specific selection criteria, but we do recommend that you keep it set to the default so you do have more search results generated. So for this particular report, I'm going to update the date range to the last 180 days to see which staff members have submitted referrals during this time period. So you will see here a list of staff members' names, and these individuals have submitted a referral to a provider within the date range selected. You will see a column for the number of referrals and also a column for the number of results. And this will show the results that have been updated in the system. So similar to the by provider report, this is the view of the parent report. And then you can click on the individual hyperlinks to view more detailed information. So the staff account that we were using for our test example was OC staff, and I'm going to select that hyperlink so we can see the referrals that have been submitted by OC staff within the date range selected. Now this report lists information in the first few columns about the individuals that were referred, the referral dates, again, the name of the staff member that made the referrals, the provider that the referrals were sent to, the provider contact name of each referral, in addition to the reason for referral. Next, you will see the referral outcome. So you will see in this first example that the individual was not enrolled. In the second example, the individual was enrolled. And then in the last example, it shows that this referral is still open and the referral result has not yet been updated. Again, at the top of the report, you have the same options to scroll through various pages or also return back to the parent report to select another staff member. There's also the options to zoom, save, and print. And then at the bottom, you again can reset the search criteria, update the search criteria, or select another report. So once you are complete with running the necessary reports, you may sign out of CalJOBS by selecting Sign Out at the top of your screen. This concludes our training series. Please contact Orange County Workforce Development Board staff if you have any questions or should need further assistance. Thank you.